Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can post videos on Pinterest. So it's very easy. Let's get started. First of all, open up your Pinterest app. After opening up, you have to tap on create button, which is on bottom. Now you have to tap on pin. Now allow the permission. Now you have to tap on the video section, which is on top corner. Now what you have to do is you just have to tap on the video which you want to post on Pinterest. I am selecting this one. Now tap on next. Now here Pinterest is allowing you several options. So which is size, you can adjust size, media, you can also add text, you can also add music, stickers, you can also draw, you can also add colors. So it's mean they have also providing you some editing features. So after adding this, now you have to tap on next. Here you have to type the title of your video. In the description section you have to add a description, and in the link section if you want to add some link, you can add the link to here. And in the advanced setting you can also add allow comments, or you can also disable comments. You can also add alternative text. You can also toggle on show similar products icon. It means whenever someone see your video, in the bottom they will see similar products or not. So you can also adjust this after tapping on back. Now you just have to tap on create. After tapping on it, it will take some time, and that's it. Now it's time to check the post. You just have to tap on bottom right corner of your profile. Now you guys can see our video has been created on Pinterest. And that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.